It's the Mime Friends with Crafter409, and if you guys haven't seen my other video on my headlight that I'm going to use for a lot of my nighttime videos, check that out. I think I'll try and leave it in the description, but I'm not that good at that yet. But so since my family camps a lot, like I said in the other video, and hikes, and backpacks and stuff, my uncle got me that headlight and this. It's like a really heavy duty, crazy Swiss Army knife, or pocket knife kind of thing. So if you like take it apart in half, mostly all of them have this. It's like tweezers, kind of. I don't know what you'd call these, but I like that. And then you can fold it back up, and then it's gone. But then, like, this stuff inside is just for looks. There's not actually that many knives, I don't think. Maybe. Let me check. Yeah, no, it's just for looks. Yeah. So we've got this one, which is really pretty sharp. It's just a knife. And then we've got a box opener one right here. Here, wait, let me put this one down. Here, wait. Do that one, do this one, and then pull this one back up. Okay, so this is the box opener one. I'm going to use this on my unboxing and reviews. And then I've got a few tiny ones on this side. They're really hard to get out. So like a small flathead screwdriver, which is cool. And a bigger flathead, which I thought was cool because you can unscrew like the regular Phillips or whatever. You can unscrew those with flatheads. And then you can, I think these are the scissors. Yeah. I got the scissors. Yeah. It just comes out of right here. Pull it out, and then it comes out to this. And then just a second, I'm making a video! Yeah, so that's really it. And then it's got like this thing on top if you want to hook it to like a metal keychain thing and put it in like in your pocket, but it won't fall out because it's connected to like a belt buckle thing here or something. But yeah. So, I might even use this if we make like a survival night mission nerf thing. I could use this, so yeah. Keep it in my pocket at all times. But, yeah, so we've got our pocket knife. And I used it last night. Our headlight. So just box time. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. It's really it. But this little thing is so cool because you can just hold it in your hand or throw it in your pocket, and it's so small, but it's useful too. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and goodbye.